it's Jesse Georgiabora. I'm here to talk you through GymSync Raging Rapids national event being held here at the Colwyn Bay Leisure Centre. It's on the 4th of July on our very own well-developed High Rock studio. Now, this workout is designed into 4 people. The categories are male, female or mixed. Raging Rapids is 30 minutes in duration and it's split into 2 parts. So part A is a 20 minutes EMOM and is as following. Partner 1, max calories on the ski erg. Partner 2, max calories on the rowing machine. Partner 3, performing lateral burpee box overs. Lastly, partner 4 is having a rest. We do that for 5 rounds, every minute on the minute, and that one completes the whole 20 minutes for part A. During the 2-minute break, now we add on all the total number of calories combined by your team on both the ski, rowing machine, along with the total combined reps from the lateral burpee box overs. Moving on to part B now. So the second part of Raging Rapids is 8 minutes and it's comprised of the following. Every team member must perform 2 minutes on the rowing machine, but you must perform 14 burpees over the rowing machine before you begin getting more calories on the rower. Now, the remaining 3 members will be performing max calories on the ski, and it's up to you. It's a you go, I go. Try to get as much calories on there for 2 minutes. All calories and reps will be added together for a total and uploaded to the national leaderboard to see how well you and the team have done against all teams across the nation. Lastly, we're looking forward to seeing you there. Don't miss out.